Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good
Yes,
afternoon.
ma'am.
Will you turn on your videos, all of you? Okay, children, do you remember our portion? We were doing some questions, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
One minute. Which was the previous question, Srihari? Humidity.
Yes, ma'am. Percentage.
What about the next question? It was the last question, right?
You told to write it and come. The height
Okay.
of 50
Okay,
students.
okay, okay, okay. Okay, children. When you were, we were talking about the range of data. Okay, children. Range of a data. See, I'll show you the question. Range of a data. What do you mean by range of a data? Range. Suppose I am writing some numbers here. 10, 12, 56, 2, 5, 31, 23, 4. Okay. What is the range of this data? Do you know what is the range? Range means highest observation minus lowest observation. Okay, highest observation minus lowest observation. So what is the range of this data? Just now I wrote. Can you see? Can you see on the board some numbers I wrote?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the range
Yes,
of
ma'am.
this data?
10, 12, 56, 2,
10,
5,
12,
31.
56, 2, 5, 31, 23, 4. What is the range of this data? Find out.
56 minus 4.
56 minus 2.
Not 4. 56
2.
minus
2.
2. That is highest observation minus lowest observation. That is 54.
4.
Here, range equal to highest observation minus lowest observation equal to 99.2 minus 84.9. And our answer is 14.3. Okay, this question I explained. After that, I left the class. So, so children, look at here. This is the question which I have given you. This question you have given, right? Okay, children. Okay. So this is the question. The height of 50 students measured to the nearest centimeters have been found to be as follows. Did you write the question, children? Did you write the question? All of you,
Yes,
I'm
ma'am.
asking you.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. If you did not write, you can write down now. And represent the data given by the grouped frequency distribution. What do you mean by grouped frequency distribution? Classes. Isn't it? What
Yes,
is
ma'am.
grouped frequency distribution? It's all classes. Okay. And Which is the lowest one? Lowest of this is 150. And the highest, can you find the highest?
173, I think.
173. So here it is given as interval is 160 and 165. Is it enough? We have to include 150 also, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So what
Yes,
is the
ma'am.
starting class?
150 to 155.
150 to 155. 155 to
60, 160.
160. 160 to 165. 165 to 170. 170 to 175. 170 to 175. Okay. So first column is height. Second column is tally marks. Third column is number of students.
We can hear what you told.
Yes?
Ma'am, what you told now, we didn't hear it just now.
Eh?
It's now okay, but for a second it when.
Okay, children, listen. In that smallest observation is 150 and class size is 5. So starting from 150, you have to include 173 also. So what are the classes? 152, 155, 155 to 160 till 175. You have to draw the height tally marks table. Then tally marks next column and the third column is number of students. Have you done that tally marks? Have you done?
No, ma'am. You
Now you
told
do
us.
it. Now you do. This is a question.
Ma'am, can you show one more time?
After finishing, you tell me, I'll show the answers to you. Okay, children? How many of you finished? Just show your hands. Anjali Priya. Only Anjali Priya. Adulya. Gautam. Jerlin. So children, this week there will be no remedial. Next week I'll start remedial. Okay. 1 week we have to revise. Okay. Alnaros, did you finish it?
Yeah, ma'am.
Sriram? Doing only. Only you need the concentration, nothing else. Don't make a mistake in the numbers. When you write, when you put the tally mark, you just put the tick. Just tick the numbers. Hello, shall I show the answers? This is the answer. Just check whether you got the same. Okay. Children, did you see that? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it
Yes, ma'am.
correct? Is it correct, children? Hmm? Children, did you get the same answers?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm asking
Yes,
you.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Play.
Yes, ma'am.
All of you got the same answer?
Can
Those
you
who
show
did,
the answers again?
yes, yes. Those who did not get, just check it. And those who finished, write this question number 5. After writing this, I'll go to the bar graph, and tomorrow you have to bring the graph. Okay. Bring the graph paper and all the necessary accessories for drawing instruments, scale, pencil, eraser, everything. Okay. So tomorrow, next class, you have to bring your graph paper. Clear, children? And this is the last question. Write this question, exercise 14.2, question number 5. Write the question fast. Listen, children, you have to make the class interval from 0.00 onwards. 0.002, 0.04, 0.042, 0.08, 0.08 to 0.12, like that. And till where? Till 0.24. Till 0.24. 0.24. And do it fast. Say survey was conducted to find out the concentration of sulfur dioxide in the air in parts per million. That is for pollution, air pollution, we are using always ppm. You remember about this. Always remember about this, per million. Okay, children? 0.00 to 0.04, 0.04 to 0.08, 0.08 to 0.12, etc., 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 till 0.04. And this is always we are measuring the pollution count as parts per million, ppm. All molecules, all those things, carbon dioxide, hydrogen, nitrogen, the presence always we will measure in ppm, parts per million. I'll show the tally marks table for you. This is concentration of sulfur dioxide in ppm is the first column. Second one is tally marks. Third one is number of days. Concentration of sulfur dioxide. First table, first column, concentration of sulfur dioxide. Second column, tally marks. Third column, the number of days. Just write down the columns. Hello. Are you listening to the class? No answer at all.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
You want to see that tally marks table? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
And don't put the tally mark, just write the column. Name the columns, only that.
Can I show the question?
Okay, children. The classes are 0.002, 0.04, 0.042, 0.08, 0.082, 0.10, 0.102, 0.12, 0.122. How many classes are there, children? Just see. Is it correct, children? 0.04 to 0.08, like that. 1 minute. This is the answer. Just look at the column. If you finish, you tell me. Okay, children. I'll show the answers. Check whether you got the same answer, children. Did you get the same answer? Huh? How many of you got the correct answer? I'll show the screen again.
I'm gonna show that question.
Hmm?
I'm write questions on little part I have to write.
You did not write the question. You are copying from the board. I sent the same question to you, right? No. No. Okay. Children, write the questions in your question in your notes and put the tick mark and select from your notes. Don't look at the board and select. Okay, shall I show the answers now? This is the answer, children. And one question is given in that. Question is, for how many days was the concentration of sulfur dioxide is more than 0.11 ppm? 0.11. How many days? Look at here. How many days the concentration of sulfur dioxide more than 0.11 parts per million? So look at this table. Look at this here, all of you. What was the number which is more than 0.11? Select the numbers. More than 0.11. Will you tell? First line. First row.
0.11.
More than. First row.
0.16.
First row. First row.
0.17.
First row. 0.17. Second row.
0.16.
0.16. 0.18. Then
0.20.
20. Then
0.12.
12.
0.13.
13.
0.22.
Then
0.810. Say 18.
18. Then over. How many
yes.
are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So answer how many days?
8 days.
8 days. I'll show the answer to you. The concentration of sulfur dioxide was more than for 8 days. One more question is there, I think. What is the question? No, nothing. Range. Lowest observation 0.11, highest observation 0.22. What is the range here? What is the range, children? Range is highest observation minus lowest observation. Highest
0
observation
point two
2
one
minus 0.01
0 1
and answer is
0.21.
0.21 is the range. Okay. Okay, children, I hope you understood this. Okay. So this was the last question, children. And tomorrow we will do with graph, bar graphs along with our histogram and all. Okay. Shall I wind up the class now, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So
Yes, ma'am.
study well and next class we'll see you.
Thank
Okay.
you, ma'am.
Bring your
Thank you,
graph
ma'am.
book. Thank
Yes,
you.
ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.